to another video reaction. Tonight we're going to be reacting to Black Canary versus Sindel in today's death battle. It was released a couple days ago, but today I'm doing it right now. We're going to react to it. Don't know too much about Black Canary other than that she has one powerful voice. That's all I know. And I think she's like in sort of like a relationship with Green Arrow. Yeah, I'm not too much of into the DC side with more of the lesser known characters other than Superman and Batman and therefore like that. But Sindel though. Yes, Mortal Kombat Sindel. You already know about her. You already know she got that voice plus the hair. Okay, let's not forget the hair, because that hair is something serious, and with that voice of hers, you get trapped. I don't know. I believe I say Sindel. I say Sindel because I had more of knowledge of her and how she fights and what she does and how Black Canary. I think only thing about, like I said, is just her voice. So I never really saw her be really destructive with the voice. I don't know if I'm making a mistake. I don't care. But I don't see her killing anybody with her voice or hair like Sindel. Sindel literally wipes the skin off your face when she screams at you. Her hair literally whips your behind. So it's probably going to be a lot of those hair whippings, a lot of voice crackings. But yeah, I'm going to go side 90% Sindel winning this. Pretty easily. Now they might make it a little tough just to give Canary some sort of chance, but Sindel, she's got it in the bag. So let's see what's going to be happening. Of course, I am not going to go through all 16-17 minutes of them explaining what the characters are. No, we're going straight to the battle. This is what we want. All right, so let's see.
Talk about Scooby-Doo meets Fight Club.
Enough of this farce.
I don't know about these sprites.
Behold your
I don't know
queen.
about these sprites. They could have did
I
better
shall
with these sprites.
strip the flesh from your bones.
Look at that hair. Ooh, crushing blow.
Are you hurt, child? Let me sing you a lullaby.
No kidding. I almost fell asleep.
Oh.
So are ring outs a thing here?
Insufferable creature, we fight to the death!
I don't know. Canary holding up though.
Such a pretty bird.
Oh, she in
with
trouble.
such an
Oh,
ugly
she in
sound.
trouble.
Tell me.
Oh,
can you
she in
fly?
trouble. Oh! Damn!
Fatality.
What?
KO! Looks like Sindel's had his blessing
What?
up again! Or, well, for the first time technically, so I tried to work it in, guys.
This battle was a curious one. For the most part, Sindel's physical strength, projectiles, and aerial maneuverability let her keep up with the bird of prey.
Yeah, she was 160 times stronger. But Canary's made a living off fighting superhumans who are even stronger than that, like Mammoth and Giganta. So I guess that wasn't that big of an advantage, really.
Comparing Cabal's bullet timing to her nanosecond reaction, Dinah's reaction speed was easily 60 million times faster. And with her wide array of martial arts abilities, she certainly capitalized on this.
I don't know about
Sure,
that.
Sindel had some awesome moves.
I don't
but
know.
Sadly,
I don't
stepping
know.
on people like a hot dominatrix doesn't quite stack up when Black Canary mastered way more fighting styles. Plus, she's been training all her life. Adenia was super peaceful before Shao Kahn came along, so I doubt Sindel was taking names and kicking ass all before that.
But let's move on to the comparison everyone wants to know. Which was deadlier, the Banshee Scream or the Canary Cry? We know Dinah's cry could reach 300 decibels. In comparison, the results of Sindel's most powerful scream are similar to a 5.0 earthquake, which is equivalent to only 235 decibels.
Man, get out of
I
here.
know what you're thinking. That's a difference of only 65
Man,
decibels.
get outta here.
That can't be
I
all
don't
that
believe
different. Wrong! It's totally different, because decibels are freaking weird.
See, decibels are not like meters or minutes, which scale geometrically. Instead, decibels scale logarithmically. For every 10 decibels a sound is, its intensity increases tenfold. So 30 decibels is 10 times greater than 20 decibels, 40 is 10 times greater than 30, and so on.
So, every increase multiplies the sound instead of just adding to it. Wait a minute. That means the Canary Cry would be...
About 1,000,000 times stronger than the Banshee Scream, nearly 500
See, like I said, I
megatons
don't
of
know anything
TNT.
about Black Canary.
Awesome.
The closest real-life comparison we can make is the Krakatoa eruption of 1883. A volcano blast so powerful it could be heard over 3,000 miles away. Not so different from what Dinah has been shown to be capable of.
It also didn't hurt that Canary had those special membranes in her ears to guard against Sindel's scream.
In the end, Canary had the speed, skill, and raw decibels to finish her.
It was Sindel's time to die.
What, no pun about screams?
Well, I was gonna, but I thought a pun that obvious wouldn't be allowed.
The winner is Black Canary.
Okay. I'll take it. I'll take that L. I'm about to hop on the L train. I'll hop on the L train with that one. Like I said, I did not know too much about Black Canary at all. I knew all about Sindel, so I went by my knowledge of Sindel. So Black Canary, you have my praises. Okay, you showed up and you showed out. You beat the shit out of Sindel. Hey, turns out you got a more powerful scream, 1,000,000 times powerful. Hey. I'll take that L. I'll take that L. I'm 1 for 1 for right now. I guess Static Shock against Miles Morales. I said Static was gonna win that one. This one I failed miserably. So I'm 1 for 1. I'm one for 2. Not 1 for 1, 1 for 2. 50%. So thank you for tuning in. That'd be it for today for Death Battle until the next Death Battle happens. So if you want to stay tuned and look for more videos like this or more reactions to movies, music videos, gameplay, trailers, gameplay, all of that, please hit that like, subscribe, and follow. You follow me on social media. My stuff is up there with my Facebook on my page. Like I always say during my videos, I humbly appreciate everybody taking a like and the new subscribers and the feedback that has been given to me by you guys. I read everything. I have on my phone like my notifications of any comment, anything that you guys send. I definitely read it and I definitely look over it. So don't think I'm not looking at it whatsoever. My mind is always racing to see what I can do, what I can do next, what I can do better, how can I do this better. So thank you for tuning in. And like I always say, I will try to get a video out every single day, if not every day, more likely every other day. Okay, so thank you again for tuning in. It's your boy Made Man Mellow. Have a good night.